How to create Instagram post using ChatGPT. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your application Instagram. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. It will open up your gallery. So let's say you want to post this image. Once you have selected the image, tap on next at the top right corner. You can simply edit this post. And once you are done, once again tap on next at the top right corner. Now let's say you want to add the caption and the hashtag to this post, but you have no idea on what to write. So basically what you want to do is open any of the web browser and move into the site chat.openai.com. Also you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now in this section what you want to enter is write the caption and the hashtag about sunset. And then click on this arrow over here. The AI will generate the caption and the hashtags for you. If you want more of it, in this section all you want to write is "so more." There you go. Now let's say you want to add this caption and the hashtag to your post. All you want to do is copy the caption and the hashtags. Once you have copied, head over to your post and paste the thing that you have just copied before. You need to delete these. You can also remove some of the hashtags from here. Let's say I just want to enter some of the hashtags. Well, the caption and the hashtag is ready. Now simply tap on share at the top right corner. There you go, your post has been uploaded successfully. You can also see the caption and the hashtag that has been generated by ChatGPT. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to create Instagram posts using ChatGPT. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.